In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a co-host in a Zoom meeting. If you run meetings with lots of participants, a co-host can help manage the room, admitting people from the waiting room, muting participants, starting and stopping recordings if permitted by your account, and generally keeping things smooth while you focus on content. This takes just two parts. First, enabling the co-host feature in your Zoom settings before the meeting, and second, assigning the co-host during the meeting itself. Start by signing into the Zoom web portal in a browser. This is the account dashboard, not the desktop app. Once you're in, open Settings, go to the Meeting section, and then choose In Meeting, under Basic. Scroll until you find the option labeled Co-host. Toggle it on so it shows as enabled. You typically only need to do this once, and it will apply to all future meetings you host. If you see that the option is grayed out or marked as locked, it means the feature is controlled by your organization's account settings. In that case, reach out to your Zoom administrator or IT support and ask them to enable co-host for your account or group. With the feature turned on, join or start your meeting. As the host, look for the Participants button in the meeting toolbar. If you don't see the toolbar, move your mouse or tap the screen to reveal it. Click Participants to open the panel. In the list, hover over the name of the person you want to make a co-host. You'll see a More button appear to the right of their name. Click More, then choose Make Co-host. Confirm the prompt if one appears. That person immediately gains co-host controls, and you'll see the word co-host next to their name in the participants list, which is a quick visual confirmation that it worked. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you use this. You must be the meeting host to assign a co-host. Attendees and existing co-hosts don't see the Make Co-host option. If menu labels look slightly different, it's usually due to Zoom updates, but the path remains the same. Participants, hover over the name, More, Make Co-host. And that's it. Enable the co-host setting in your web portal, then assign your co-host from the Participants panel during the meeting. With the right person helping behind the scenes, your Zoom sessions will run more smoothly and feel more professional.